Good day. Could you introduce yourself?
Good day everyone, I'm Nimpa Bucado, 45 years old, and I have 5 kids, age 20, 17, 16, 8, and 3 years old. And I have total of 5 years working experience in Chinese family in Hong Kong. And my duties and responsibilities are cooking, taking care of newborn baby, toddler, household chores like cleaning, ironing clothes, washing clothes, and also car washing. I also do the tutoring of the kids and then pick them up in school and then put them to clean them and then put them to sleep at night. Thank you and see you soon.
Okay. And you mentioned that you want to go back to Hong Kong, right? So
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
the reason why do you want to work again to Hong Kong?
The reason, ma'am, is like my 3 kids, it's like the 20, 17, and 16 are going to university. That's why I need a bigger income. That's why I want to go back to Hong Kong.
Okay, then who will take care of your 5 children if you would go again to Hong Kong?
My sister, it's like my big sister is like she don't have kids. That's why she can take care of my 8 years old and 3 years old kids.
Okay. Do they support you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And aside from that, do you have any work right now?
I'm working as security guard, but I already asked them if I have an employer, I will resign right away. It's like, and they permit me.
Okay. And can you tell me your work experience in Hong Kong?
My work experience in Hong Kong is like the first employer I worked, first employer I worked for only 1 year. It's like due to the misunderstanding, that's why I only took 1 year. And then my second employer I worked for through 2 contract. So like I take care of newborn baby. The first month is like the first contract I worked. My employer gave birth for newborn baby, and then after the contract, it's like the second contract, she gave birth again for another baby. So I take care the two kids in my second employer.
So you took care 2 newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And can you tell me the meals that you usually prepare for them?
It's like in the morning, they just eat it's like oatmeal. In the morning, I prepare oatmeal, coffee, and sandwiches. And then at lunch, they want like noodles or some leftover food from dinner last night. And then at dinner, we cook 4 dishes and then soup.
Okay.
It's like vegetable, pork, and fish.
Okay, so can you tell me your daily working routine when you are taking care of the newborn baby?
The newborn baby is like I take care the newborn baby in the mornings. Like first, like feed the baby, check if he need to change diapers like that, and then already at 3 months I already flashing cards. It's like flashcard. That's what my employer want me to do. It's like flashing card in early 3 months. That's why after 2 years he's already very smart. It's like that.
Okay, so
Yes.
what did you usually do to flashing?
I flash. I use the flash card. It's like the three dot, flashing to the baby. The 3 months old baby is like just looking at me and then listening. It's like just flashing cards and then talking what's in the flash card. And then because my employer said it's like they can recognize after a year. It's like that if they know how already to talk and then recognize things. It's like very easy for them if it's already a flashback for them. That's why.
Okay. And aside from that, you mentioned that you also work from 2009 to 2010, right? So can you tell me your work experience there?
That time it's like my employers like they did not follow the contract. It's like they said that I share room with the elderly and the kids. And then when I go there, it's like I sleep in the living room. My clothes are under the dining table. I'm not allowed to use the washing machine and then hang my clothes outside the kitchen. That's why my clothes got very smelly.
Okay.
And then they find me it's like I'm very smelly. It's because of the clothes I hang
Okay.
outside, it's like they absorb the smell from the other apartment kitchen.
Okay,
That's
but
why.
can you tell me your working duties there?
My work duties there is like I also take care the two kids. It's like the 2 years old and 4 years old. I do the cleaning, everyday cleaning, the also the bathroom, and then washing clothes, ironing clothes, and then tutoring, also car washing, and then cooking.
Okay, so you're the one who cook for them.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any co-workers during the time?
No, ma'am. I only me.
So what dishes did you usually prepare for them?
Usually I cook vegetables like just fried vegetables, and then fish, steamed fish mostly, and then pork,
Okay.
and then soup every day.
Okay, then, and have you experienced before taking care of pet?
Yes, ma'am. The first employers like they have a small dog, just small dog, and then just walk the dog every day, is like 1 hour, and then come back, and then do the housework.
Okay, and since you have an experience in taking care of babies, especially the newborn, are you still willing to take care of newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing.
What will you do if the baby could not stop crying?
If the baby cries, first check what's the reason he's crying, and then if the need is like just change diaper or hungry. If hungry, feed them, and then if need to change diaper, make them comfortable. And if it's like they feel sick, I need to inform my employer. It's like if that's the reason of the crying. It's like if like they have fever, it's like I need to inform my employer. It's like if what's the medicine I need to feed the baby, or what's their advice to do.
Okay. How about toddler? Are you willing to take care of toddler?
Yes, ma'am. I also willing to. It's like tutoring the toddler. It's like
Okay.
bring them to schools, like pick up from school.
Okay, so do you love taking care of toddlers?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the toddler having tantrums?
It's like we need to calm the toddlers, like ask what they want, and then if it's okay, it's like they want it will not harm them. It's like they will give them for them to stop the crying or the tantrums, and then calm. It's like always calm. It's like give what they want. It's like that. But we need to supervise if that thing is it's like cannot harm them. It's like we need to it's like supervise.
Okay.
Supervise.
What will you do if they want something, but that something is very harmful for them?
Explain to them. I need to explain. It's like this. If you still you want to do this, I will tell the possible happen to him if he still need want the thing. It's like just explain to them. It's like the possible rest.
Okay. What will you do? Or, I mean, are you still willing to take care of children?
Yes, ma'am. I still willing to take care of children.
Okay. What will you do if the children were fighting and naughty?
For fighting, it's like we need to separate them. It's like talk to them. If the children is like they already understand, and then just talk to them. It's like and then explain what are they fighting for. What they're fighting is like if it's like this, and then if they still manageable and I can manage them. If I'm not, it's like I'm going to tell their parents. Their parents, if it's like they're fighting for something that it's not on my in my I can it's not in my capable. It's like I will tell the employers like
Okay.
what are they fighting for.
Okay. And are you willing to help children with their homework or school activities?
Yes, ma'am. I am. I want because in my uh, education I studied like teacher.
Mhm.
The base education. It's like I love teaching kids.
Okay, so for how many years have you been taking in college?
Only 1 year. It's like I didn't get to finish the 4 year course. I only took 1 year.
Okay, and aside from that, for your cooking skills, do you love cooking?
Yes, ma'am. My previous employer liked my cooking. It's like I cook very good.
So do you know already how to cook Chinese dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you would rate your cooking skills from 1 to 10, 1 is being the lowest and 10 is being the highest, what will you give for yourself?
And my ratings, like I am 8.
8 over 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think you're good in cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And is it okay with you to share with the babies, children, or elderly?
Yes, ma'am, I am. I'm
How
willing.
about to work with other helpers?
Yes, ma'am, also.
Okay. And do you have any message that you want to send to your future employer?
Uh, if you, sir, ma'am, if you hire me, like I'm loyal, willing to learn, I'm a fast learner, I'm very honest, and then I'm have initiatives, like I can work without supervision, and then I love kids, and then you can trust me in your house.
Okay. Thank you.